Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. I just wanted to do a quick video with some ideas of what to do if you have too many goodies left over from the Easter Bunny. I'm going to show you how to make a nice little sweet treat to change it up and have some fun. Oh yeah, and stay to the end of this video because I will have an announcement, something fun coming up on this channel. To add to the Bunny Massacre fun, you could probably find a recipe for hot chocolate. The ones that I was looking up called for like bittersweet chocolate, dark chocolate. So you'd have to find one that's not too overly sweet with milk chocolate, assuming that's the kind you have. And you can chop up some bunnies for your marshmallows. But that's just a fun idea. Make sure to check out my playlist that I have linked for a bunch of other Easter crafts that I've done, crafts and recipes. And also, if you are interested, I'm kind of making it a series, but I have lots of candy canes left over, even after doing a video of ideas of what to do with leftover candy canes. So I'm having fun with that, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see you around soon. Meaning, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you around soon. Dang it, missed opportunity. I could have been wearing this. Ooh, from a previous craft. You want to eat me? Want to lick the bunny ears? Yes, yes. What? Check out the playlist. So my extra announcement is we reached 2,500 subscribers. I just appreciate that. I think a lot of people jumped on because one of my April Fool's videos was trending, and I hope you give me a chance. I'm trying to do better videos. I definitely have some more old school ones, and your support helps me do things like invest in hopefully a better camera and better lighting and all that good stuff. So I will be doing a giveaway in appreciation for that, and thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And you know, if you like these videos, please make sure to share these. And you know, the vast majority, like 99%, maybe even more of my views come from non-subscribers. So that's crazy. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, you should be binge watching my videos. Anyway, I appreciate you guys so much, and we'll see you around next time.